Hello guys, this is GoPro Hero 12 Black, and in this video I'm going to test the audio. First with wind reduction off, then with wind reduction on. After that I'm going to use this wind slayer, which is some kind of foam. And finally with these dead cuts on the microphones. Let's start the test. This is the first test. You can hear my voice. Now the wind function is on, but the audio is mono. It is not stereo. You can hear my voice. The wind slayer is on the GoPro. Now let's make a test. Now the phone is on the GoPro and the audio should be a lot better. Now the wind reduction is off again, and with the phone on the GoPro the audio should be a lot better. You can hear my voice. Now the dead cuts are on the GoPro. Let's see the results. This is the last test with the dead cut on, and I think now the audio will be the best. You can hear my voice. Now I'm going to listen the results on the computer. In the last test you've heard this weird noise, and it was coming from this drain microphone. I was thinking that it doesn't need to be covered, but I was wrong, so I'm going to cover it now. Okay, the drain microphone is covered with dead cuts. It looks a little strange, but I like how it happens. So I think the sound will be okay now. Let's see. This was the last test with dead cuts on all 3 microphones. Kilometers per hour. I hope the sound is okay. After all of the tests, I think that the dead cuts and the Winslayer are the best choices. Personally, I will now go with the dead cuts because they are already on my GoPro, so I will not remove them. I think the audio is good. The Winslayer is also a good option, but you can see that the foam is already broken. I don't think you should use this introduction on because the audio is mono, and personally I don't like this audio. And you definitely need some cover of the microphone, so use dead cuts or some Winslayer and your audio will be good enough. Okay, that's it for this video. If you want to see more biking videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.